sisters, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. My name is Ada. It's so lovely to have you here. So this is the look for today. It's 5 simple and I've included every single step to achieving it. Let's jump right into it. So as usual, I'm going to be starting off with my brows and I'm going to be using this Davis pencil. You always want to sharpen your pencil before you begin. A sharp pencil makes it so much easier to trace out the outline of your brows. So with a spoolie, I'm going to just brush up my brows before I then trace them out. So you start by tracing out the outline of your brows. Just follow the natural outline of your brows. I also trace out the upper part of my brows. Just gentle light strokes. And then when I get to this part, I just start to angle it downwards. Sharpen your pencils in between because it gets blunt as you use it. And then just literally trace out the natural outline of my own brows. It's good. So this is what it looks like. So use my hand to just clean out a little bit on this part where I've gone over the line just to make it easier. And now using my flat brush and a concealer, I'm now going to just sort of clean out all the imperfections that I had while I was drawing it, and then also this makes it look really sharp and highlighted. I'm going to go in with this concealer brush and then blend it even better. This time you're using a foundation that's close to your skin tone. Here you don't really want to use anything too bright. And then you're doing the same thing, you're just cleaning out all the imperfections and just sharpening up the borders. So that's it for the eyebrows. I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow base, sort of to prime my lips before the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to go over all of my eyelids with that. So the eyelid primer does the same thing as the skin primer or your face primer. It sort of gives a smooth base for your eyeshadow to go on. I'm going to be using this bronzer to set the concealer. So anytime you put a cream product on your face, you need to go over it with a powder just to set it in place. I'm going to be using this orange color here. So two colors for my lids, the orange color as well as this shimmery shade for my highlighter palette. In circular light motions, and then sweep it into the corners of my eyes. Just a little bit of color for my lids. So again, you're concentrating this on the outer part with light circular motion, and then you sweep it into the inner corners and back here again. So you're just sort of blending it all out. This highlighter palette from Elf Cosmetics, and that is what I'm going to be placing right on my lids. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Slick Flick eyeliner and just to line my eyes. Putting on mascara helps your falsies to blend in even better. Just a little layer of mascara. So this lash I got from Shein. So when you do your lashes, the trick for it is to always have your mirror downwards, never in front of you like this. You always want to have your mirror like this. Listen, if you've been having problems fixing your lashes, this is just the method for you. So have it like this and you're looking downwards and then you place it on and start from the outer corner. And once that is on, you then lay the other side on as well. So looking down into my mirror, I put the outer corner in first and then I go into the other side and fit that in as well. I think we dressed up. Okay, okay, let's go. Go and wait for mommy, okay? Okay. See you later. Bye. You're going to your bye today. See you. Bye. I then move on to prep my skin. So I'm going to go in with moisturizers and sun cream only for today. I'm going to be using the Star Primer from Makeup Revolution. So it provides a layer, like a smooth base for your makeup to go on. Just put a few pumps of that on my face. Start out small, and if you need more, you can always go back in and put a bit more. Foundation brush, I'm going to just spread that out a bit on my face. I'm going to blend this all out with the beauty blender. Going with a bit more of the foundation just to get a little more coverage. The concealer dries down really quickly, and that's why I'm working one side at a time. Just blend it out in really, really light strokes so that you're not packing away all of the product. It to go. I'm going to go in between my nose as well. Again, blending it with light strokes, starting out from the outer parts where you have less product before going into blending the central parts. Make sure you keep blending, blend and blend and blend so that you spread it all out evenly through your under eyes. You don't want to have any creases, and that's why you want to just keep on blending. This is where my natural contours are. The natural darkness of my face are here. I'm going to be putting it right on top of it. Just blend it out. Yes, yes. Remember, you go to the color. So when you blend the one in your forehead, you want to blend it backwards towards your hairline. Actually, the cuckoo. blender, I just go under my chin here. Lip gloss. So it's so easy to work with this side of your beauty blender for just setting your concealer with the setting powder. So I love to use this side just because it gets everywhere. It goes in this corner of your nose, like right under your eyes, and literally everywhere that you want to. Next, I'm going to set the area that I contoured. Now I'm going to go to the final bit, which is to set the rest of my face with face powder, and I'm using this Maybelline fitme poreless finish powder. So you're really setting the rest of the face with this final layer. I'm going to be going in with blush, just this orangey color blush. I'm also going to go back in with this same orangey color that I use for my eyes, and take just a little bit of that and also put that on my cheeks. Go in with this powder brush and then go all over my face, blush, contour, concealers, all over the place. It's important not to skip this step because it just sort of removes all the harsh lines between each layer of makeup. All the lines of demarcation are just simply taken out, and it gives you sort of a beautiful seamless finish, and nothing is outshining the other. It's such an important step in your makeup, so something to incorporate. I'm going to go back in with this same highlighter palette that I use on my lids, and then just use that on the corner of my eyes, as well as the tip of my nose, and finally here on top of my lids. So here's the finished look. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.